Poets often use very many words to say a simple, simple thing. It takes thought, time, and rhyme just to make a poem sing. With music and words I've written, for you I've composed a song, so I'll be certain you know what I'm saying. I'm going to translate as I go along. Fly me to the moon. Let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, darling, kiss me. Fill my heart with song. Let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you. I was a stranger in this city, out of touch were the people I knew. With this feeling of self-pity, what to do, what to do, what to do. The outlook decidedly blue. Then as I walked along the streets of town, it was the luckiest day. It turned out to be luckiest day I've known. A foggy day in London town. It's got me down. It's got me low. I'm looking at the city with so much alarm. That British Museum has for me lost its charm. How long I wondered, could this feeling last? But the age of miracles hadn't passed, for suddenly I saw you standing there, and in foggy London town the sun was shining everywhere. That certain night, the night we met, there was magic abroad in the air. There were angels dining at the Ritz, and a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. I may be right, I may be wrong, but I'm perfectly willing to swear that when we met and smiled hello, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. The moon hovering over London town, poor mixed up moon, he wore a frown. How could he know we two were so in love? The whole darn world seemed upside down. The streets of town, they were paved in gold. It was quite a romantic affair. And when we kissed and said good night, I heard a nightingale sing in Berkeley Square.